Hello and welcome to The Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sweet potato casserole. Here is the list of ingredients. And now let's get started. After boiling your sweet potatoes, we are just going to mash them. We're going to be wanting to use 4 cups of mashed sweet potato for this recipe. And once they're all mashed, we're going to be adding those to a bowl. And now add in your light brown sugar. And just mix that all together. And now just beat your eggs and then add them in and mix. Add in your cinnamon and mix that together. Now add in your melted butter and mix again. I used unsalted butter, so I'm just adding in some salt now and my milk and stirring that all in. And now lastly, add in your vanilla extract and mix. And now add that all into your casserole. My casserole dish is an 8x11. So add that all in and smooth out the top. And we're going to be baking that in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. And that's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So while that sits and our oven heats up, we're going to turn up the temperature to 500 so we can brown our marshmallows. So once the oven has come to the temperature, then add in your marshmallows on top and pop that in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. Just make sure to watch because you do not want your marshmallows to burn. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to The Happy Homemaker. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.